I'm Arunesh Natarajan from Chennai. I graduated my BTech degree from Vellore Institute of Technology. The main thing that enhances the ROI of a PGP at ISB is the fact that it's a one-year MBA program. They have compacted anything that you can learn from an MBA program into a single year so that you will graduate a year earlier than your peers who might be in a two-year MBA program, and then you will actually earn in your career for the 1 year that others might be missing out. So the opportunity cost is actually regained. So as I was gearing up to apply and continue the applications process for my Young Leaders program, I did a lot of research about ISB, and I was pleasantly surprised to see the positive response that I got. And this is a very prestigious institution which has been globally ranked in various aspects as one of the best in the world. And I was also very optimistic about the alumni network that we have and all the esteemed alumni, the people who are currently in C-suite levels in various huge organizations. So ISB has become a name that resonates with excellence in leadership, and many of the alums are continuing to reach top positions in various industries, and they are doing their best work there. And to be able to take advantage of that, such an esteemed alumni network, is something that I'm really looking forward to.